Beware, these 7 SUVs have serious engine issues. The excitement of buying a brand new SUV can quickly turn into frustration when unexpected engine problems arise. While many modern SUVs boast advanced technology and high-performance capabilities, some models have fallen short due to severe engine failures. From stalling on highways to complete engine shutdowns, these issues can be costly and dangerous. If you're considering purchasing a new SUV or already own one of these models, it's crucial to know what problems might be lurking under the hood. In today's video, we'll be highlighting 7 SUVs which have serious engine issues. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will help me to grow up. SUV nightmares. 7 new models with serious engine issue. The excitement of buying a brand new SUV can quickly turn into frustration when unexpected engine problems arise. While many modern SUVs boast advanced technology and high-performance capabilities, some models have fallen short due to severe engine failures. From stalling on highways to complete engine shutdowns, these issues can be costly and dangerous. If you're considering purchasing a new SUV or already own one of these models, it's crucial to know what problems might be lurking under the hood. This popular SUV struggles with sudden stalling and unpredictable engine shutdowns, leaving drivers stranded in dangerous situations. One of the most well-loved SUVs in recent years has unfortunately developed a serious issue that has left many owners frustrated and concerned for their safety. Reports have surfaced of the engine shutting off unexpectedly while driving, leaving drivers stranded in traffic or on highways with little warning. This terrifying issue isn't just an inconvenience, it's a major safety hazard. Imagine cruising at 60 miles per hour when suddenly your SUV loses all power, forcing you to pull over while other vehicles are speeding past. Experts believe the problem is linked to faulty engine control software or fuel system malfunctions, both of which disrupt the proper flow of fuel and air required for the engine to function smoothly. Some drivers have also noted that the issue occurs more frequently in colder weather, hinting at a possible defect in temperature sensors or fuel injection components. In some cases, restarting the vehicle allows it to run again, but the problem inevitably returns, leaving drivers with no reliable solution. While some dealerships have offered software updates or sensor replacements, these fixes do not always work, leading to repeated visits to the repair shop. Owners who rely on this SUV for daily commutes or long road trips have been left feeling betrayed by a brand they once trusted. With so many complaints surfacing, potential buyers should think twice before investing in this particular model. A turbocharged SUV that promised power but delivered engine failures, costly repairs, and disappointed owners. Turbocharged engines are often marketed as the perfect combination of power and efficiency. But for one SUV in particular, the promise has fallen flat. Owners have reported that the turbocharger, a critical component designed to boost engine performance, fails prematurely, leading to costly repairs and a significant loss of power. The symptoms start subtly: a high-pitched whining noise, sluggish acceleration, and an unusual amount of exhaust smoke. However, as the problem worsens, the vehicle struggles to gain speed, making highway merging and overtaking other cars nearly impossible. Mechanics have pointed out that the turbo failure is often caused by inadequate oil lubrication, carbon buildup, or defective turbo seals. In some cases, the turbo system overheats, leading to complete engine failure if not addressed in time. Some owners have had to replace the turbocharger multiple times, with repair costs reaching thousands of dollars. The frustration doesn't end there because of the high price of these repairs. Some dealerships have refused to cover the fixes under warranty, leaving owners to foot the bill. For an SUV marketed as a high-performance powerhouse, these widespread engine problems have severely damaged its reputation. Many buyers who initially fell in love with its sporty design and strong horsepower are now regretting their purchase, realizing that reliability is just as important as speed. This best-selling SUV suffers from oil consumption issues, leaving owners constantly refilling their engines and dealing with expensive repairs. Oil is the lifeblood of any engine, ensuring smooth operation and preventing excessive wear and tear. However, one of the most popular SUVs on the market has been plagued with excessive oil consumption, forcing owners to refill their engines far more frequently than normal. Some drivers have reported having to add a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, far beyond what should be expected from a new vehicle. The root of the problem appears to be faulty piston rings or valve seals, which fail to properly regulate oil flow within the engine. As a result, oil burns off at an alarming rate, leading to low oil levels and potential engine damage if left unchecked. Some owners have experienced complete engine failure due to prolonged low oil levels, unaware that their SUV was consuming oil at such a high rate. Manufacturers have acknowledged the problem in some cases, offering engine replacements or extended warranties, but not all affected owners have been so lucky. The cost of constant oil refills and potential repairs adds up quickly, making this SUV an expensive headache for those who just wanted a reliable vehicle. If you're considering buying this model, be prepared for frequent maintenance and unexpected costs. A high-tech hybrid SUV that struggles with battery and engine coordination, leading to frequent performance issues and unreliable driving experience. Hybrid SUVs have gained popularity for their fuel efficiency and eco-friendly appeal, but one particular model has left many owners regretting their decision. Instead of delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience, this SUV suffers from coordination issues between the engine and battery, leading to poor acceleration, unexpected power loss, and even complete engine shutdowns. Many drivers have noticed a delay when pressing the accelerator, as if the engine and battery are struggling to communicate. In some cases, the SUV suddenly switches to electric power at the wrong time, causing a lack of responsiveness when quick acceleration is needed. Others have reported the engine randomly shutting off at stoplights or when idling, requiring a full restart before it functions properly again. Technicians have suggested that software glitches and sensor malfunctions are at the root of these problems, but updates and recalibrations have not consistently fixed the issue. For a vehicle that is supposed to represent the future of driving, these performance flaws have left owners frustrated and hesitant to trust hybrid technology. With many hybrid competitors on the market, it may be wise to consider alternative models before investing in this unreliable SUV. This heavy-duty off-road SUV faces cracked engine blocks and premature wear, making it a costly choice for adventure seekers. Off-road enthusiasts often invest in powerful SUVs built to handle rugged terrain, but one well-known model has been experiencing a devastating issue: cracked engine blocks. This problem, which usually takes years to develop in most vehicles, has been occurring in this SUV after only a few thousand miles. Owners who purchased this vehicle for its durability and performance have been shocked to find their engine suffering from cracks, leaks, and overheating issues. A cracked engine block is no small problem. It can lead to coolant leaks, loss of engine pressure, and ultimately, complete engine failure. Some mechanics have traced the issue to manufacturing defects in the engine casing, while others believe excessive heat buildup during off-road driving contributes to the damage. Either way, the cost to replace an engine block can be astronomical, often exceeding the resale value of the SUV itself. Many owners have attempted to repair their SUVs under warranty, but not all claims have been approved, leaving them with hefty repair bills. For those who depend on this SUV for off-road adventures and long road trips, this flaw has turned an exciting purchase into a nightmare. Instead of providing the reliability needed for rugged conditions, this SUV has become a ticking time bomb, ready to fail when drivers least expect it. A budget-friendly SUV that ends up costing more due to constant engine overheating and cooling system failures. Affordability is a key factor for many SUV buyers, but one low-cost model has proven that cheap doesn't always mean good value. Owners have complained about persistent engine overheating, leading to repeated breakdowns and expensive repairs. Some have even had their engines fail entirely due to extreme heat damage. The primary cause of this overheating issue seems to be a faulty cooling system. Radiator leaks, weak water pumps, and malfunctioning thermostats have all been linked to the problem. Many drivers have reported that their temperature gauge rises unpredictably, and some have even seen smoke coming from under the hood. In severe cases, the engine becomes so damaged from heat exposure that it needs a full replacement. While this SUV may have an attractive price tag, the long-term costs of repairs and replacements make it far from a good deal. Many frustrated owners have found themselves regretting their purchase, realizing too late that saving money up front often leads to bigger expenses down the road. If you're considering this model, be prepared to deal with potential overheating problems that could leave you stranded when you least expect it. Final thoughts: beware of these engine nightmares before buying your next SUV. Choosing the right SUV isn't just about looks, horsepower, or high-tech features, it's about reliability. No one expects a brand new vehicle to break down unexpectedly. But as we've seen, some SUVs come with serious engine issues that can turn a dream purchase into a nightmare. Whether it's excessive oil consumption, overheating, turbo failures, or sudden engine shutdowns, these problems not only lead to costly repairs, but also put drivers and passengers at risk. If you're considering buying an SUV, don't just rely on advertisements or dealership recommendations. Dig deeper. Read real owner reviews, check reliability ratings, and look up recall information. Many of these problems don't become obvious until after thousands of miles, leaving buyers stuck with expensive repairs long after the warranty expires. Car manufacturers won't always admit to design flaws immediately, so it's up to consumers to be well informed before making a purchase. For those who already own one of these SUVs, staying proactive with maintenance is key. Regular oil checks, software updates, and early detection of warning signs can help prevent bigger issues down the road. If you're experiencing problems, report them to your dealership and check for potential recalls or warranty extensions. We hope this video helps you make a smarter SUV purchase. If you've faced engine troubles with your SUV, share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else avoid the same frustration. Also, let us know if there's a particular SUV you think should have been on this list. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car updates and reviews. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.